IMesis Soweto seyakheka amadlela ndawonye ne-SMG Toyota Soweto kubudlelwano bethulwe ngokusemthethweni endaweni ke lapho kudayisela khona imoto eOrlando West ngomgqibelo. Lo mcimbi kuhlanganise abaxhasi, abalingani kanye nezinye izinhlaka ezihlukene ohlelweni kokulindele ukuthi lweseke izinhlelo zalomncintiswano luphinde ke lwandise nomthelela onawo emphakathini. IMesis Soweto ithi ke lolumbimbi luyingxenye yohambo lwawo lwango-2026 lapho komncintiswano uqhubeka nokuzibeka njengenkundla egxile kwabesifazane, inhloso kanye ke nomthelela obonakalayo emphakathini.
Sekuboshwe ifindo lomshado phakathi kwenkampani yezimoto SMG Toyota kanye nenhlangano yonobuhle iMesis Soweto njengoba kulindeleke kumenyezelo onobuhle ozoba nguMesis Soweto wakulonyaka emavikini ambalwa azayo.
Toyota SMG, especially after management change, we realized ukuthi they stand for the community and with the community, because they are not just driving to bring in the business, but they're also seeing how best they can also incorporate their services by assisting the communities at large. So, but beyond that, I think knowing that we have such a big organization and entity in the middle of Soweto.
Manager yeToyota uthi ke kubalekile ukuthi abantu besifazane bexhaswe njengoba isikhathi esiningi basalela emuva.
In Women's Month came at the right time, but moreover that is the empowerment of women is now something that we must really pioneer, because this is a predominantly male dominated industry. All the others, your sports, it's always men. Your rugby, it's always men. Your soccer, it's always men. And this gave me an opportunity to kind of say, let's go out the mold, be different. Not the mainstream, not the things that everybody sees, but we are in Soweto. The best thing for us to do was to be a part of something that's at the heart of the community that we are part of. And that's why we chose Mrs. Soweto. It's not to say that there's no one else, but this made sense to us.
Unobuhle ozonqoba kulomncintiswane uzophiwa imoto yile nkampani ukuze akwazi ukwenza umsebenzi wakhe, kanti ke le nkampani iphinde ixhase nangenkece. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngise-Orlando West.
Masihlabela phambili ke ngodaba loMesis Soweto, labo abafinyelele kowamanqamo sebekhuthaza ke imbokodo ukuthi ikholelwe kuyona izigqatshe ngobuyona iphinde ke ingapheli imandla noma ngabe ke inselelo zingakanani. Bathi abantu besifazana kufanele bevumele ukuthwala ingcindezi eqhamuka emphakathini, umndeni okanye ke izingqinamba ezihlangana noma ngathi ke abahlangabezana nazo ekutheni ke leyo ngcindezi bachaze lokho abayikho noma ibavayela amathuba okufeza ikhono labo. Labo ke noma ngathi ke abakumnqamo noma ngathi abakwamanqamo baphinde ke bakhuthaza abesibhuda ukuthi ke besekane bephinde ke bethuthukisane lapho ke bechaza khona ukubambisana kwabantu besifazane njengengxenye ke balekile kwakhena imiphakathi eqinile.
More than anything, I always advocate for inclusiveness. I want inclusion in the community that we live in, and the inclusion allows women to actually be themselves, women to excel in whatever that they do. So for me, the month of August, I want women to always remember that they are enough, they are beautiful, and anything and everything is possible if you put your mind to it. Nothing is far-fetched. Anything is possible. It just starts with the positive thing.
I live by the saying, it's be who you are, where you are, with what you have. So akumelanga ukuthi ushintshe or to compare yourself with other women. Where you are, it's where you are supposed to be. You just need to uplift yourself by maybe upskilling yourself, going to school, or just selling amaguinya. Being a street vendor, those people make a lot of money. So I think we should just uplift each other as women and accept where we are at that moment.
Lady out here, Wena, you are enough. You are full, you are special, you can do it. You can have the audacity to try something new. Look at me, I had the audacity to try out to be a Mrs. Soweto finalist, and I've made it to the finals. So just wait and see us on the 5th of September.